Welcome to this meditation. For this one, I'm going to have you choose a sound, a feeling, or a word that you want to use as your focus to come back to in this meditation. And I'm also not going to have any music playing. It is going to be just you and your sound, your feeling, or the word that you've chosen. And I really want you to give this one a go and practice it, because once you nail this, you can meditate anywhere, anytime, at any time of the day, any place, and it's not dependent on anything at all. So get yourself settled, and at the end of the time, which is about 10 minutes, I'll put a little bit of music for the sound to let you know that that's the end of the time for the meditation. You can continue to go on if you choose, but just give it your best shot of keep coming back throughout as your mind begins to run and your thoughts go off, to just bring it back to that sound. So if you choose the sound, so you're just saying that sound over and over in your head. Or if it's a feeling, you're feeling the feeling, you're naming the feeling, you're coming back to the feeling. Or if it's a word, you're saying the word over in your head and repeating that as often as you need to throughout this meditation. So get yourself settled. Take a deep breath in. Let out and leave behind everything that had happened before this moment where you're taking this space to connect with your higher self, and breathe out and breathe in. Focus on your word or your feeling or your sound, and breathe out and continue.